How to link NGL link to Instagram story. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'll show you how can you add NGL link to Instagram story. To do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now here you want to make sure to set up NGL first of all, so head over to your respective app store and on the search box type in NGL and install it. So after which you want to go ahead and create your account, all that. Make sure to set up your account and then you'll be taken to this section. Now here what you could do is you could actually tap on a dice and then you could go ahead and dice it out as well. And once you've actually found the particular code, then you could click on copy link. After you've copied the link to your clipboard, you want to exit out of this page and open up your Instagram application. After which, what next you want to do is you want to make sure to go ahead and open up or tap on your story in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Now then, what next you could do is you could go to the camera section, or else you could simply go ahead and add a particular photo. Now for example, I'm just going to go ahead and do this randomly. So after you've actually done it, so what next you want to do is click on the sticker icon from the top right hand side corner, and then you want to go ahead and click on this link section, and then you want to paste in the link that we've recently copied. This is the way, and click on done. After which you could go ahead and adjust the link anywhere. You could also type in any of these text and post it to your story. So that is how you could add NGL link to Instagram story. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.